Good afternoon. I am Dr. Prabha Gour, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities, IPS Academy, IES Indore. Today, I am going to talk about an essential skill that plays a crucial role in shaping our career. Through this presentation, we will discuss how to write an effective resume. Let's start. First, we will discuss what is resume. A resume is a formal document that presents your education, skills, and experiences. Next, it is used to apply for jobs, internships, academic programs, or scholarships. What is the purpose of resume? The purpose of resume to convince the employer that you are suitable for the role. So, your resume is your marketing tool. Next, we understand key difference between resume and CV. So, CV is a comprehensive document detailing your entire academic and professional history, whereas resume is a concise, targeted document focusing on specific skills and achievements. Now we understand resume and CV through key differences. Resume contains 1 to 2 pages, whereas CV contains 2+ pages, can be longer. Resume focuses on skills, experiences, and achievements, whereas CV focuses on your academic details and research. Resume is used for job in private or public sector, whereas CV is used for academic jobs and research roles, PhDs. Resume is customizable. It is highly tailored for each job, whereas CV is more static. Resume is altered by the type of job. Next, key sections of resume. This is the structure of writing a resume. First, header. In this section, we include name, phone number, email, or LinkedIn profile. Next, objective or summary statement. In this section, we add 1 to 2 line career goals or strength overview. It depends on your type of job. Next, education. In this section, we include our degrees, certifications, year of passing, and percentage. Next, work and internship experiences. In this section, we add the name of company we worked, the role of person, responsibilities, and the duration of work. Next, skill. In this section, we include technical, soft, and language skill relevant to the role of your job. Next, project. In this section, we include brief description of project or outcomes of your project. Here, you should have to mention you are fresher or a student. Next, achievements or award. In this section, we should have to include our achievements and award what we received. It is optional, but it adds up value to your resume. Next, languages. In this section, we include languages. In this section, we include languages other than English or Hindi. If you are applying for internationally or MNCs, there you should mention variety of languages you know. Next, hobbies or interest. In this section, we should have to add our interest in hobbies. Keep them professional and adds relevant hobbies. Don't include irrelevant hobbies in this section. Next, action verbs. Action verbs play a very important role in resume writing. It makes it attractive. First, for leadership roles, you should add managed, led, coordinated, trained, achieved. For innovative role, you should include designed, created, developed, solved. For analytical role, you should include presented, analyzed, researched, evaluated. Next, we will discuss tips for writing effective resume. First, we should keep in mind use clear heading and proper formatting. It is very important when you drafting a resume, proper formatting plays a very crucial role. Second, keep it 1 to 2 pages maximum. Use bullet points instead of long paragraph. Whenever you drafting resume, use bullet points instead of paragraph because it makes it more attractive. Next, start each bullet point with an action verbs like managed, designed, led, etc. Next, use present tense for current roles and past tense for previous ones. Also include quantifiers for your achievements like increased sales by 30%, trained 15 interns. Here are some sample objective statements. A motivated BTech graduate seeking an entry-level position where I can apply my technical knowledge, problem-solving skill, and innovative thinking to contribute to organizational growth. Next statement is for teaching job. If you are applying for teaching job, you should add a statement like this: a motivated English graduate seeking a teaching role where I can apply my communication and classroom management skills. Next, we talk about some common mistakes. We should have to avoid this mistakes while we writing resume. First, use a professional font like Calibri, Arial, Times New Roman. Keep font size between 10 to 12. Next, maintain margin and font sizes throughout, or save the file as a PDF. Don't save your file as a Word file. And name your file professionally like Divya Agrawal resume. Next, avoid clutter to resume. Avoid to reduce cognitive load. Always proofread your resume before sharing. Next, here career analysis report. Through this we understand recruiters focus on majorly your work experience, then your relevant skills, then education, and then formatting. So whenever you write resume, keep these points in your mind. Research shows recruiters spend an average 6 seconds scanning a resume before deciding if it is worth a close look. Your layout must be scannable, highlighting your name, current title, and key achievement instantly. So whenever you write a resume, keep in mind, highlight the main points. Here is resume drafting workflow. Whenever we drafting resume, first we analyze the document, then we start drafting this, focus on qualifying your achievements, then tailor it according to the type of job, then proofread it and check grammar mistakes. So that's all for today's lecture. Through this presentation, we understand how to write an effective resume. Thank you so much.